the top 3 reasons why you should attend our upcoming workshop, that is strategic transfer pricing workshop. The top 3 reasons I'm going to tell you that right now in this video. The first reason being the potential transfer pricing service market in India. You must be knowing that India has become a global destination hub, and that is where there are many revenue streams where you can which you can generate from the clients who are coming in India or who are establishing their setups outside India. So that is the first most important reason. The second reason, strategic planning and value addition. I don't need to say you that in today's world the clients expect strategic value addition from your end as a consultant. They are just not interested in only availing the compliance services. They require also your support in in strategic decision making, which may help them to expand their business, and you can be a growth partner. So that is the second and most important reason. What is the third reason? Gain easiest understanding of transfer pricing. We have cracked some of the complex principles in this workshop in the easiest manner, which you will understand only if you attend this workshop. So these are the top 3 reasons why you should attend the workshop, right? It's going to be very interesting workshop. You're going to learn something new. You can also see your feedbacks, or the past feedbacks or past webinars, and appropriately you can decide. I leave it up to you. I am looking forward that you join that. Thank you.